In this video, I'll show you how to create dynamic product ads in Meta Ads. First, sign in to your Meta Ads account and open Ads Manager. Click Create to start a new campaign and choose the sales objective. Next, continue to the ad set level and select your conversion location. Make sure your Meta Pixel and product catalog are already connected to your account. Then choose the product catalog you want to use for your dynamic ads. After that, configure your audience, budget, schedule, placements, and optimization settings. You can choose to target people who have viewed, added to cart, or purchased products, depending on your campaign goals. Now move to the ad level and select Catalog as your ad setup if prompted. Choose your ad format, customize the primary text, headline, and call to action, and let Meta automatically display the most relevant products from your catalog to each person. Finally, review all of your campaign settings and click Publish. Once your campaign is approved, monitor its performance in Ads Manager and optimize it based on your results. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create dynamic product ads in Meta Ads. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.